Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when you open up WhatsApp and your contacts is just showing phone number, images, and no name. In order to fix this, you want to do the following. Tap on the plus icon to start a new chat. It might give you a pop-up box. Simply click continue, click allow, and it will take you over to your contacts list. Now, once you find your contacts list, guys, you want to click on the three dots on the upper right hand side and simply go ahead and tap on refresh. Now, once you tap on refresh, see if the issue is fixed, right? If the issue is not fixed, guys, go ahead, do a swipe up on your phone, open up settings, and simply do a scroll down to where you'll find apps and tap on that. Do a search for WhatsApp. Once you find WhatsApp, simple tap on permissions, guys, and you want to find contacts, tap on contacts, and you want to ensure that allow is set. If allow is set, go ahead, simple do a don't allow and simple do allow again. And you simply want to open up back your WhatsApp application again, tap the plus to start a new chat, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and simply do a refresh. If this still does not fix the issue for you guys, go ahead and open up your Play Store, right? So you simply want to open up your Play Store, guys, and you simply want to type in WhatsApp. Once you find the WhatsApp application, open it, check to see if you have any updates and you want to update to the latest version of WhatsApp. If there's a latest update, go ahead and update the WhatsApp. If not, then you want to move on to the next step. So you simply want to go ahead and go back to your settings where you have the WhatsApp here, guys, and you want to go to the apps as I showed you before and simply find WhatsApp. Now, once you find the WhatsApp here, simply scroll down to storage and you want to simply clear a cache. And of course, you can simply go ahead and clear the data as well, the button on the left hand side, and try to see if this fixed the issue. If this still does not fix the issue, guys, simply go ahead and force stop the WhatsApp. You can simply uninstall the WhatsApp as well and install the WhatsApp. And if this fixes the issue, great. If not, the final thing that you want to try is to ensure that your phone is up to date. So you want to go back to your settings here, guys, and scroll all the way down to software update and ensure that you check if your phone is up to date. Having the latest version of your operating system can be crucial, and this can fix the issue for many app issues once you have the latest version of software installed on your phone. So ensure that your phone is up to date. Try again and see if that fixed the issue. Really hope this was helpful, guys, and if it does, don't forget to let me know in the comments below and also give this video a like. I really appreciate it. And thanks for watching. See you next time, guys.